Hello and welcome to another episode of Davina's Recipes for Life. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you a staple dessert, which is ice cream. And it's a very versatile dessert because there's so many flavors to choose from. Once you have mastered the base, then you can do any flavor you like. The base is just a standard recipe, which is an 8:7 ratio of heavy cream and condensed milk. The one I'm doing today is a delicious hazelnut ice cream with Ferrero Rocher chocolates and nuts. It's chocolatey, nutty, and delicious. So just what's not to love? Let's get straight into the recipe. And the first things first is that you're going to prepare your condensed. So before we start making the ice cream, there's just one thing you need to know, which is to make sure that all your utensils, including your bowl, your mixing equipment, like your hand whisks and your electric mixer whisk attachments or whatever, that they are all cold, including all ingredients as well. Even ingredients need to be cold, especially condensed milk and cream. So for your equipment and utensils, you can place it in the freezer before you use it. And for ingredients, you can place it first in the freezer and then keep it in the fridge 1 hour before use. Take about 150 ml of condensed milk, which is about 7 ounces. And then you're going to add in about 15 grams of cocoa powder, or you can add more if you like. And then whisk everything until it's nice and well combined. Now, once you're done with this, you're going to start whipping your cream. So there's a big trick to this. There's a tendency for this cream to turn into butter, especially if you live in a warm country like Singapore or India or anything like that. So what you're going to do is take a bowl with lots of ice. And then the bowl that you're going to beat your cream in, the whisk or the whisk attachment needs to be really cold. So I suggest you put everything in the freezer. Next, you're going to take your bowl and add your whipping cream. This is about 240 ml of whipping cream. And then over that bowl of ice and rock salt that we took, over that bowl of ice and lots of salt to keep the ice cold, beat your whipping cream with your electric mixer or your hand whisk. And then just mix it nice and vigorously until it comes to nice fluffy consistency. Do not overbeat it. Just when it's about to come to soft peaks, you can take your hand whisk and just switch over to that until you're happy with the consistency. So you're going to first take a spatula of your cream once it's done and then fold it into your condensed milk mixture. And I've taken 50 to 60 grams of Nutella, or any chocolate hazelnut spread basically. You're going to add that into your ice cream mixture. Over the bowl of ice, you're going to just keep on beating everything. I can't emphasize it enough because again, we don't want butter. Once this comes together, you're going to pour it into your pan. Now again, whichever ice cream mold you're using, that should also have been in the freezer. Pour your ice cream mixture in and then add as much pieces of Ferrero Rocher as you like. I chopped mine up. And then you're going to top it up with roasted almonds or nuts, basically chopped nuts that you like. And then after you're done with that, you can drizzle Nutella on top. Now, you're going to cover the ice cream with plastic wrap for best results. And then once you're done with this, you're going to again re-whip it. Sometimes your ice cream may not set instantly, and this is absolutely okay. Again, what you need to do is after one night, take it and whip it again over a bowl of ice. Make sure your bowl and the whisk part of the machine or the hand whisk are very cold again. Whip the ice cream again and then place it in a container to set at a very low temperature. The ideal is 0 degrees or its equivalent. And then when you're happy with that texture, you can take it out and serve it. So I'm just going to scoop some into a nice glass and then decorate it however I like. Now all that's left to do is garnish your ice cream with your favorite nuts or toppings. I just went with chopped cashews and then added a little maraschino cherry on top. And there you have it. Your chocolate sundae is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your loved ones, as I always say. And do try this recipe.